Are we ready to see the hair, y'all? In 5, 4, 3, 2. Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to today's video. As you can tell by the title, we're gonna be doing a maintenance vlog for homecoming. So my homecoming is Saturday. It's Monday now, so I'm gonna go get my nails done. I'm currently wearing press-ons. I need to rip these bitches off. So I'm gonna get my nails done. I'm gonna take you guys along for that. I have my hair appointment plan. We're gonna jump right into this freaking video, y'all. We're gonna jump right in. If you guys don't know me, hey, my name is Jordyn. If you guys do know me, hey y'all. I'm at my nail tech's house right now. I'm gonna go get my nails done, kiki, and have a good ass time. I'm also like rushing and stuff because like I have another video that I'm trying to rush to upload today, and it just keeps saying like it's error, whatever. And I'm just trying to get that out for y'all. So hopefully that'll be out today. I know this video won't drop until like Thursday. Yeah, so I'm super excited. Can't wait to tell y'all. Let's get to maintenance.
Oh, baby, does he do it for you? When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know, 'cause your time is money and I won't let him waste it. Oh no, no. Oh, baby, just go with it. 'Cause when you're with me, I can't explain it. It's just different. You can take it slow, or act like you're my girl. Let's get the basics. Whoa, no.
Okay, y'all, so I'm back now. It's hella dark, but I'm gonna show you guys my nails. She convinced me to do short, and I never do short. I normally do long, but I love them so much. They're so cute. Okay, so now that the nails are done, the next time I'll see you guys will probably be when I'm doing my hair, and that's on Thursday. So I'll see y'all on Thursday. Hey, what's up guys? So it's Thursday. Today is hair day. As you can see, my hair is in this nasty bonnet. I'm here at the stylist place right now. I got here a little bit early, so I went in, got myself some fruit from Giant and a water because I'm just so tired and I'm hungry. I haven't even ate nothing all day. I feel like, you know, when you get your hair done, that's when you're the most skinniest. You don't eat nothing at all. I'm gonna go get my hair done. Here's the inspo pic. No, I'm not gonna show you guys the inspo pic actually. We're gonna wait until the final thing. I'll see y'all when it's all done. Y'all, are we ready for the hair reveal? Drum roll. Are we ready to see the hair, y'all? In 5, 4, 3, 2. Y'all, it's so cute. It's so cute. Like, I'll put pictures up on the screen. I love it so much. I feel like it's gonna be super cute for homecoming. Like I said, my homecoming is Saturday, so I'm super excited. I put the color in because I was like, you know what? I need to do something different because I always do like black or just a solid ass color. So I was like, you know what? Let me put in the blonde and see what the blonde gives. I literally forgot to even like update y'all when I was there because I was like, you know, I'm too into what I was doing. I'm doing my work, I'm doing schoolwork, I'm doing so much other things. I'm like, okay, I couldn't even focus on y'all. I forgot about y'all. I'm sorry about that. So that's all we had to do for this video. Actually, it's so short, but literally all I do is my nails and my hair because I have my lashes on. Like I do the DIY clusters. If you guys haven't seen like my other videos, I do DIY like the cluster lashes, and those just come in the pack, and I literally just put them on like right before like I have an event or something. So love those. I'll link the video to my DIY, like how to put them on, in the description if you guys want to see or check them out. Coming up will be my homecoming vlog. Will I take you guys through homecoming? You guys get to see the whole thing, my outfit, the whole night, everything, my line stitches. You guys get to see it all. So stay tuned for that coming Sunday. I think it'd be Sunday. So that's the end of today's video, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and follow me on all of my socials. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.